Today on the Ninja Chef, we're gonna make some turkey chili. Healthy, but maybe not because of some of the ingredients I put in there. Mainly one. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to make it fast, easy in the Ninja Foodi, coming up right now. Okay, we're gonna put some olive oil on the bottom and some butter. And we're gonna put this on sear saute. Ninja Foodi's ready to go. Now, I've already, in the interest of time, chopped up my green pepper, a yellow pepper, and a Spanish onion. We're gonna add those here. I've also added one large potato that you would use for baking. I diced it up real small, added it here, as well as some sun-dried tomatoes. The camera got steamed up, you couldn't see it, but it's added right after this. Gotta switch camera angles because it got all steamed up. And add some cilantro. Okay, I'm gonna add 100% fresh ground turkey breast. Not turkey meat, but turkey breast. This is 1 pound. Here's the secret ingredient. I picked it up at Publix. It's mild Italian sausage. You don't want to put this piece of paper in there. Doesn't taste too good. Let's mix that up a little bit. Oh wait, we have 1 more pound of turkey. We just want to brown this. We don't want to cook it. We want to brown it. So altogether, there's 3 pounds of meat in here. I'm going to add some salt to taste. And the same with pepper. And the stees. Okay, see how it's broken apart now? There's still some that hasn't browned yet because there's a lot of meat in here. But basically you want to get till it like crumbles apart like this. Now that we've reached this stage, let's go to the next part. We're gonna add 2 cans of dark red kidney beans. I already strained the water out. I use Bush, but you can use whatever you like. Hope this all fits. I think I made too much. Add some crushed tomatoes. And some finely chopped tomatoes. Last but not least, chili powder. It's the only one I could find tonight in McCormick. It's fine. I like mild. You can get spicy. There's other additions you can get that's kind of cool. I'm just gonna go with some simple chili powder for tonight. Let's mix all this together. Probably should have added the chili powder before, I almost forgot, to be honest. Now it smells like chili. Okay, that's all together. Let's add the pressure cooker top. Push that on seal. Okay, now we're gonna change this to pressure cook. And now we're gonna go over to pressure. Start. Now we wait. It's at 0. Let's take a look. It's all done. Let's give it a taste test. I already melted the cheddar. I'm already drooling. Oh. Probably a little too hot to do this, and I may burn my mouth, but it smells too damn good. I used smoked Wisconsin cheddar. Try something a little different with that too. Here we go. Very good. Wow. I think I found a new way to make it. Love these new ingredients. This is really, really good. Okay. Kind of speechless. This is really good. Okay, I'm gonna go enjoy this. Oh my God, it is good. I'll put the ingredients in the comments. Any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. I definitely would recommend the smoked Wisconsin cheddar. It's pretty good. But other than that, I'm gonna go enjoy this, and new video coming out next week. Hit the like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Any comments? Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Let me know. If not, I'll see you on the next video.